This is Dan Henrich from faraway Alexandria, Egypt. And Chris and I just finished a workshop here in this wonderful environment. And I'm going to put up some testimonials from several of our students who are right now editing their final projects.
My name is Iman. I'm living in Alexandria. I joined the course as a translator, but still I become with a lot of benefits, a lot of new knowledge. I learned a lot about colors, construction, composing a picture, how to hold my hand steady in a camera.
My name is Shaima Ali. I was interested to attend this course about making movies with mobile or by mobile because I saw many things like that on the internet, but I never tried to do that. I studied before the movie, how to make movies by camera, but it's my first time to study it for mobile. Yeah, now, actually when I was seeing some people using mobile to make a movie, I was thinking it's very, very difficult. But now I think it's become simple to me. I can make movie in just a few minutes. I can make montage for it very quickly. It became very easy, and actually this workshop helped me a lot. Yeah, I hope that if you're gonna make an advanced workshop for movies with mobile, I would be so happy to be here.
Dan and Chris were very friendly, were very helpful. They always teach us with what we see, not what they told us, and that makes a big difference to me. Of course, I would love to make my own videos one day, my own films, and of course, if I have a chance to join them once again in advanced course, I will do that.
تلعب على مين فوق بابا ما انتش قدنا ده احنا عصابة في جنان جوه دماغنا الآن احنا خرجنا عن السيطرة مليونير بكرة هبقى مليونير.
So we have enjoyed this. We've been had wonderful opportunities to share the good news with some of our students and to look forward to next year they've asked us to come back and do an advanced filmmaking workshop already in 2022. So we're excited about that, and we thank you for your prayers.